The next three are factoring the sum or difference of cubes. Again, this is one I would probably go to the resources, look for A18, and print out the formula. On Alex, they do have the formula, but they don't really explain the formula. And so here's what we do when we factor cubes. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do the cubed root of each of my terms. Same sign's going to go in the middle. So if I have my set of parentheses, the cubed root of 125 is 5, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Cubed root of 8v cubed would be 2v. 2v times 2v times 2v is 8v to the third. Same sign in the middle, so there's going to be a minus sign in there. So we have 5 minus 2v. Now in our other set of parentheses, we're going to end up with 3 terms. The first and the last term will be the squares of each of these. 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 2v times another negative 2v would be a positive 4v squared. That end term will always be positive because you're squaring something. So I squared the 5, I squared the minus 2v. So that if I took 5 times 25, I get 125. If I take negative 2v times a positive 8v squared, I get negative 8v cubed. The middle term is what cancels out that stuff when you multiply it all out. The middle term is going to be the opposite of the product of these two things. So if I multiplied those together, I'd get negative 10v. The opposite of that is going to be a positive 10v that's going to go in the middle. And so you're going to see a formula that sort of looks like that, but you're not really going to know what's happening there. Again, if you really wanted to check your answer, you could FOIL it out. 5 times 25 is 125. 5 times 10v is 50v. 5 times 4v squared is 20v squared. Negative 2v times 25 is a minus 50v. Those cancel. Negative 2v times 10v is minus 20v squared. Those two cancel. Negative 2v times 4v squared minus 8v to the third. So you can see when you multiply it out, those middle terms end up canceling each other out. So 23, I'm factoring the sum of cubes. Notice that with cubes, it doesn't matter if it's a sum or difference. With squares, we can only do the difference, but cubes, we can also do the sum. Factoring that, my first set of parentheses. Cubed root of 27u cubed, 3u. Cubed root of 125, again, is 5. Same sign in the middle, so this time we're going to have a plus sign in the middle. Second set of parentheses. The first and the last, we're going to square each of those. So squaring that, 3u times 3u, 9u to the second. Squaring 5, positive 25. So 3u times 9u is 27u to the third. 5 times 25 is 125. Middle term cancels stuff out. I multiply this together, which is 15u. I do the opposite. So minus 15u is what goes in the middle of my expression. So 3u plus 5 times 9u squared minus 15u plus 25. Number 24, same kind of thing. I'm factoring the difference of perfect cubes. In my first set of parentheses, I do my cubed roots. The cubed root of 8y cubed is 2y. Cubed root of 27 is 3. Same sign in the middle, so there's going to be a minus sign in there, 2y minus 3. Second set of parentheses. Squaring each of those two terms. 2y times 2y, 4y squared. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. 2y times 4y squared is 8y cubed. Negative 3 times a positive 9 is a minus 27. My middle term, the opposite of this product. This product is a minus 6y. So in here, we're going to have a positive 6y. And so 2y minus 3 times 4y squared plus 6y plus 9 going to be my answer.